Hello students. Today I will teach you class 6th English supplementary reader chapter number 5 Tansin. In previous class I have taught you the half portion of the chapter and today I will teach you the rest part of the chapter. Tansin went to Akbar's court in 1556. So the year was 1556. So and soon became a great favorite of the emperor. So after some time he became favorite of the emperor. Akbar would call upon Tansen to sing at any time during the day or night. So whenever Akbar wanted to hear Tansen, he called him and then Tansen went there. Quite often he would just walk into Tansen's house to hear him practice. Sometimes Akbar uh, went to his house to hear him uh, doing practice. He also gave him many presents. He also gave him many presents. Sometimes Akbar became very happy to hear his songs. So he gave many presents to Tansen. Some of the courtiers became jealous of Tansen, and when Akbar gave many presents to Tansen, other courtiers were uh, were in jealous of Tansen, and they said that we shall never be able to rest till Tansen is ruined. So they decided that they will not take rest when till Tansen is ruined. So one of the courtiers, Shaukat Mia, had a bright idea. Shaukat Mia had a bright idea to ruin Tansen. Let us make him sing Raga Deepak, he said. So he said that if the Tansen will sing Raga Deepak, so it became possible he will die there. How will that help us? Another man asked. So another man asked that how it will be happen. So he said, if Raga Deepak is properly sung, it makes the air so hot that singer is burnt to ashes. Tansen is a very good singer. If he sings Raga Deepak, he will die and we will be rid of him. So he said that Raga Deepak is that type of uh, that type of style or singing. If anybody will sing perfectly there, so air will be so hot and singer will be burnt to ashes. Shaukat Mia went to Akbar and said, and after that, Shaukat Mia went to Akbar and said, we don't think Tansen is a great singer. Let us test him. Tell him to sing Raga Deepak. Only the greatest singers can sing it properly. So he went to, Shaukat Mia went to Akbar and said that they were not believing that Tansen was a great singer. So for proving it, Tansen must sing Raga Deepak. And Akbar agreed also. Of course he can sing it. Tansen can sing anything, Akbar said. So Akbar was believing blindly on Tansen. So he said that of course he can sing. Tansen was afraid but could not disobey the king. So Tansen was afraid because he was knowing the result. If anybody will sing Raga Deepak, So surely he would die. Very, very well, my lord, he said. Tansen said, very well, my lord, but give me time to prepare myself. So Tansen said that give me some time. After some time, I will, I will be prepared for Raga Deepak. Tansen went home. He had never been more downcast and unhappy. So this time he was very disappointed. He was very disturbed, and it had never happened before. It had never happened before. I can sing the raga, he told his wife. So Tansen told the whole story, whole event to his wife. He said that he can sing the raga, but the heat it gives off will not only set the lamps alight, it will also burn him to ashes. So he was fearing that it will not set the lamps alight. It will affect the person who will sing it. Then he had an idea. So when he thought he had an idea, he said to his wife, if someone sings Raga Megh at the same time and sing it properly, it will bring rain. Perhaps our daughter Saraswati and her friend Rupavati could do it, he said. So Tansen said that if same time someone will sing Raga Megh, so it will bring rain, and the effect of Raga Deepak will be reduced, and he will be saved. So he was knowing that uh, his daughter his daughter Saraswati and her friend Rupavati can sing it. He taught the two girls to sing Raga Megh. They practiced night and day for 2 weeks. So for 2 weeks, these two girls started practicing, and both learnt perfectly to sing Raga Megh. And Tansen told them, you must wait till the lamps start burning, and then you start singing. So Tansen gave instruction to both the girls that they will they must sing uh, they will sing that time when lamps will start burning. Lamps will be started burning. The legend goes that on the appointed day, the whole town assembled to hear Tansen sing Raga Deepak. So the day came there. So the judgment day came there, and Tansen he started singing Raga Deepak, because on a particular day this event took place, and many people came there to hear Tansen's singing Raga Deepak. So when he began to sing, the air became warm. So when Tansen started singing, the air became warm. Soon people in the audience were bathed in perspiration. So all the person who were hearing there, they perspired there, and the leaves on the trees dried up and fell to the ground. So the atmosphere was totally changed. The leaves on the trees uh, dried dried up and fell on the ground. As the music continued, birds fell dead because of the heat, and water in the rivers began to boil. So when Raga Deepak started by Tansen, Birds fell dead because of the heat, and water in the rivers began to boil. Began to boil. People cried out in terrors as flames shot up out of the nowhere and lighted the lamps. So situation became changed there, and everywhere heat was felt. At once Saraswati and Rupati began to sing Raga Megh. So same time Saraswati and Rupavati began singing. The sky clouded over and rain came down, and sky clouded immediately and started raining there. Tansen was saved. So because of Raga Megh, it was raining there, and it saved Tansen's life. The story goes that he was very ill after this. So it is said that Tansen became ill after this event, and Akbar was sorry that he had caused him so much suffering. So Akbar understood that he made Tansen in a bad condition, and he realized that because of him, Tansen suffered there. So, after knowing the whole incident and reality, Akbar punished Tansen's enemies. And when Tansen got well, the entire city rejoiced. So, when Tansen became well, so entire city became again happy. Tansen remained Akbar's court singer till 1585 when he died. So Tansen became the favorite musician singer in the Akbar's court, and till 1585 he remained there, and that was the year 1585 Tansen died there. He composed several new ragas. So Tansen's tomb is in Gwalior. So Tansen's tomb is situated in Gwalior. It is a place of pilgrimage for musicians. So it is famous pilgrimage for the musicians. So musicians always visit to Gwalior to see Tansen's tomb. Now this chapter is over, and I will give you question answer. Thank you.